This is one section of our garden where we had planted costus, mainly costus and shampoo ginger. The first set of gingers and all what I could started growing, those we planted here. So now plenty of propagation happened. So this small piece of land, that is around some 100 feet by 200 feet, 100 by 100 I think. So all round hedge plants have been planted, that hibiscus, whitex and others, allangium and all. And in the middle there is one small area that has been used for growing these shade loving plants. In this inner section of my garden. And this area I had kept for all these some of the ginger family. So now that plenty of propagation happened and the space is not available, all these will be shifting out to the outskirts of the garden, and I'll be using this inner space for some other members of that same group, the ginger group, like this one. This is one of the nice ginger family member. Then also the cardamom, that one new plant. So like that, the first step of establishing a nice biodiversity garden, where the intention is to help to spread those species into many places, and it's a kind of in situ conservation, ex situ conservation, outside the wild. You have places where you grow them and multiply them, and either you can sell them. That's how you can make money to pay for the labors and all that. A lot of work is involved. So first you get the plants in one or two, and then grow them for a few years to observe them and all, and multiply them. And once you have sufficient, they can be sold to nurseries or whoever wants to buy and all. Because many of these plants, their range is getting restricted with development and all. So one way to save them is, if they are in many people's gardens, people grow all these plants. Even though the wild population is shrinking a bit, in other places where we are giving care and all, these plants will get a chance to live, and they support many butterflies, birds, all kind of things, and they're important for the country's ecology and all, because if mother plants are there, numerous younger ones can be taken out. So this is a ginger garden, small one, and here now I'm in the process of removing some of these that gingiva family members and replacing them with the next set of species.